Hey, good morning. So we are at WeWork at the office. Yesterday we worked here. It was just a regular day, and today we are with the people from Trendie. So we met today and we discussed autonomous transportation, and they're here in the country to see the latest trends. And we fed them, of course, and it was a fun day for us. I hope for you guys as well.
Yeah!
Thank you for joining us.
Hey guys, so yesterday I started working on the developer portal and I added a new section regarding the process of drones charging. I continued to work on it also today, and I joined an interesting meeting with one of our clients, a drone company based in Russia, with which we are planning to create a cool video that shows a completely autonomous end-to-end drones delivery service. So I started creating the video script and creating some screenshots from our app. So it's going to be pretty cool and it's going to be very soon. So that's the highlights for today, so thanks.
Hi everyone. So yesterday, as usual, I continued to correspond with our community members, in particular those who have reached out about the pre-sale opportunity. I also spent a lot of time yesterday preparing and practicing my presentation for our visitors from Sweden. And today is the day. They'll be here very soon, and we'll be talking with them about trends in transportation and autonomous vehicle technologies. So we can't wait to meet them. See you tomorrow.
Hey everybody, Joe Laporta here. So Friday of last week, my main focus was to finish the new brand style guide, which we went ahead and did. So got the final version pretty much this morning. A few more very minor changes, but a lot of good progress there. So very excited to roll out that new style and brand across just everything over the next few weeks. Also did some work on the new up and coming website, which will also be out end of this month. And also worked on Friday on some content pieces. Today my main focus has been to really work on the wireframes and the overall content aspects that we're going to want into the new website. Also went ahead and worked with one of our freelancers. We have an article going out tomorrow, so did some work on that as well. And then also did some work in regards to following up with some of the advisors we've been speaking to. So a lot of great progress across the board. And as always, have a great day.
Hey there, DailyDAVers, Alec here. So Trendie, the group from Sweden, are here at the WeWork. They're here on the roof. They're enjoying their day. I'm just getting ready for my Skype call with John, our CCO, later today to talk about the DAV Alliance. And that's it. Bye, guys.
Hi everyone. New sunny day in Thailand is started, and then start our beautiful task and creativity projects. A few days I'm working at our new DAV brand, and I think we are on the way to the logical conclusion on the stage. Yesterday I made several variants of concepts and logos. Today likely I'll be make other materials for our brand UHMs, other imagery, etc. Also I'll plan make developer job posting for DAV. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.